guys, Corey Cain here. You're welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is Corey Cain Beauty Artistry. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also to click the bell icon down below so that you'll be notified each time we upload a brand new video. But if you're already a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by, darling. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, I'll be guiding you through on how to achieve a latte soft glam, a latte sultry neutral glam. So latte makeup, guys, is an earth toned themed makeup that is very close to natural yet glamorous. So that's the kind of makeup we're gonna do. It will be very chocolatey. It gives a chocolatey vibe, very nice and very crafted and very cute. That's what we're going to be doing, guys. So without further ado, let's quickly get into the video. Eyeshadow and lip content. Usually I don't do the skin on camera, so I had to do eyebrows off camera and prep my best for eyeshadow off camera. So now I'm gonna be showing you how we achieve what do you call it, eyeshadow. Yes, girl, as you can see, these are eyelids prepped. We prepped our eyelids. So for eyeshadow, guys, I'm gonna be using these brushes and this lac palette from London Revolution makeup. So that's the eyeshadow we're gonna use. As I have told you, we're gonna be doing a latte makeup. So I'm gonna be dipping into this color right here. This is gonna be my transition color. We dip into it, then I swipe all over my lids like so, just for transition. So we're not gonna be doing anything dramatic or anything pulled out. We're just gonna stay within the eye shape. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be doing like a little mini smoky eye, smoky bronzy eye. That's what we're gonna do. So now we're gonna dip into this color right here. We're gonna dip right into this color right here. This color right here. This is the color we're going to dip into. It's a brownish color. So this is the color we'll be picking in our crease before so this is the color we're gonna pick into our crease. Then we take this round fluffy brush, then we start to blend. So blending, we blend using our transition color, the color that we used from the beginning. That's what we're using to blend. So as I have told you, we are not going to do anything dramatic on the eye. We just be staying in our natural earth tone, this one. So now I'm gonna be picking this. We have this color right here. It's a very brown and dark chocolate color. That's the color we're gonna be picking into our lid. So I'm gonna use this brush right here. This is the brush I'm gonna use. Alright, so I'm gonna pick that color into the lid like so. This is how we're gonna do it. So we're gonna pick this color right here. So now it's time to blend. So when you're blending, we use the transition color. That's the color we use. The transition color, making sure we connect our bowl with this part of the bowl, making sure it's connected to the, what do you call it? So now it's time to apply the, what do you call it? The shimmer. So for the shimmer, we are gonna be using this very gold bronze color. It's a bronze color that we're gonna use. So we're gonna use this bronze color right here. So it's very goldish bronze color here. So that's the one we're gonna pop on our lid. We're not doing too much, neither are we doing too little. So we're just gonna stay in between. So for this shimmer, we are spreading it all over our lid, all over. Yes, girl, this is how the eye is gonna look like. So the eyes, as you can see, we are done with the eyes. I had to do like I had to line my eyes off camera, and I had to put on my eyelashes off camera because I didn't want to go in with my brown lip liner from MAC. So now I'm going in with my liner again from Takura Cosmetics, just to blend quite a little bit because I like blended lip liner. So this is what I do. So as you can see, the lips are lined. So I like to do this just to go in with my eyeliner a little bit. So before I go any further, then I take my brush and brush a little bit just to blend a little bit. So for the lipstick, or the because I'm going in with a gloss. So for a gloss, I'm going to use like a bronzy gloss, a bronze gloss that is very chocolatey from Latte Cosmetics, and it's the silky lip gloss. So I'm going in with this chocolatey lip gloss from Latte. I'm gonna apply it like so. So I'm gonna go in with a generous amount because I will be putting another gloss on top of it just to seal the deal. I don't want to put so now I'm going in with my plumping lip gloss from Becky Shoe, I don't know, but it's a plumping lip gloss. I love it. It's very creamy and nice. So this is the one I'm going to use. You just go over everything and plump it up, and to make the lips look juicy. finished product. This is the Latte makeup, the bronzy makeup, the earth toned makeup that I was talking about. There is no color which is very bright and which is not very springy and stuff. This is the makeup I was talking about, guys. As you can see, this is the look. This is the finished product. So I had to dust off the excess powder that I used to chisel my cheeks, just to snatch my cheeks a little bit more, because we like them snatched cheeks. We want to look like supermodels. We want to look like Naomi Campbell. We want to look like Kendall Jenner. We want to look like all them Victoria's Secrets angels on the on the runway, darling. That's what we're trying to achieve. And here we paint our faces for filth. We paint our faces down for the gods. We paint our faces to the ground and for the back row, honey. For the back row to see what we are doing in the front, honey. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also to share, like, and give thumbs up to the channel, which helps the channel quite a lot, and also to give positive comments. I mean, and I'm repeating, positive comments. Don't be throwing negative comments, honey, because I ain't gonna reply to you. Thank you guys for watching, and also don't forget to follow me on all my socials on the screen. Don't forget, be it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. Don't forget to follow me on all my makeup journey on my Snapchat, and also I'll be posting shorts regularly, guys, for you to be watching my transitions and mini tutorials on based on some things that I want to be teaching you guys. I thank you for watching. Now that we have come to the end of the video, guys, I love you, and I'm leaving you. Until then, bye.